Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an estimate in Zoho Books, step by step, in a way that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're billing clients for products or services, this guide will ensure you can create accurate estimates in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Zoho Books dashboard, which is your central hub for all your financial operations. On the left side of your dashboard, locate the sales section. This is where all your estimates, invoices, and sales-related activities are managed. Click on it to proceed. Inside the sales section, look for the option to create new quote. In Zoho Books, a quote is the same as an estimate. Click on it, and a new form will open where you can enter all the details for your estimate. Now it's time to fill in the specifics. Customer information. Choose an existing customer from your list or add a new one. Make sure the details are accurate so the estimate reaches the right client. Item details. Enter the products or services you're estimating. Include descriptions, quantities, and rates. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the totals for you, which makes this super efficient. Take a moment here to double check everything. Accuracy is key. Once you've entered all the details, review your estimate carefully. Zoho Books gives you two options. Save as draft. This is useful if you want to review or edit the estimate later. Send to customer. Ready to send? Click this, and your estimate will be delivered directly to your client from Zoho Books. That's it. You've just created a professional estimate in Zoho Books. It's simple, accurate, and ensures your clients get clear, organized estimates every time. And there you have it, a full 2025 proof guide to creating estimates in Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.